this is genius.
Just overall impression, there's a fair amount.
This is interesting. I wonder what will happen here. We don't know.
Hi everybody, welcome to the subscription review presented by SUBTA Studios. I'm Paul Chambers.
And I'm Chris George.
What we're going to be doing in this series is we're going to be looking at all different aspects of subscription, from subscription boxes to media and streaming. And we're going to go through the whole process, start to finish. We're going to place an order, look at the emails that you get. We're going to look at what comes inside the packaging if it's a physical product delivered, and then we're going to talk about it. It's important to note that, there are lots of opinions out there as we go through this, and we're only two opinions, but we see a lot of subscriptions. We talk to a lot of subscription companies and subscription boxes.
Our goal is to try to help those that are watching take some of the tips or things that we observe and allow you to potentially implement that into your brand. And we're super excited for it. I'm super excited for this first one. So today we're doing Kong Box, right?
We're going to do Kong Box today. Full disclosure, as we go into this Kong Box, we told them that we were going to be reviewing it. That's the extent of what we did. They graciously gave us a gift card to redeem so we could have the box here. Just because we got the Kong Box, no charge does not mean it's not putting any weight into what we're going to say about it today. We might still be really mean, or it could be nice. But so Kong is a strong brand name, right? Mm-hmm. As a dog owner,
Yep.
You have Kongs in your house?
I do. Plenty
you
of
put peanut butter inside?
We do. Okay. Yeah. I think this is just a good example of a brand pivoting to the subscription model.
Yeah.
As a brand, you should be thinking about it. Kong's done an amazing job of it. So,
all right. So let's start from the very beginning here. Let's just start off with a simple Google search. Yep. Kong Box.
I think we're going to see some competitors pop up.
Yeah. It looks like BarkBox is a competitor.
Yep.
Something called DogBox Review.
So it's probably a review site. They took our idea and did it before us.
Probably. We'll click into the organic result.
Yeah.
Okay, so first thing I see, we got some dogs here that are fighting over this toy, so it means you need to order more than one box if you have multiple dogs. I immediately see at the top like a redeem your gift. Okay, because you guys subscribe now and gift to Kong.
Yep, looks like two options off the bat on the hero image. And then they got a little how it works, sort of typical in the subscription box space, right? One thing we should look at too is what this looks like on a mobile, because most shoppers are shopping mobile, so we can do that at the same time. I do like here where they're showing pictures of dogs with their products, social proof. And then there's a vote here, who loves it more? I think this is kind of cool. I don't know how the dogs vote. But we got to subscribe now, and we got to get started. And then we got to log in, and we got a pup date.
So you assumed my Kong profile was a login?
I always knew a little bit more than you did
right.
about websites.
It's just interesting language. It doesn't say like my account login.
Yeah.
It's just taking it right to your profile, but it seems like it's making it more personalized. What's pup date?
Probably some updates on something.
Their blog.
Yeah, their blog. Yeah, it's cool. I haven't seen any Huskies yet. I'm a Husky guy, Kong, just so you know if you're watching.
So one thing to look at, the mobile website, they did a great job with this. Looks like it
mobile friendly.
Yeah, it moves over pretty well. Okay, so the interesting thing, the voting actually isn't real. It doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it did. It went up by one.
Yeah, but I got the same numbers. It's more gimmicky.
Oh, I see.
Learn more about the Kong Box solutions. Click on that at the bottom.
Looks like there's some videos, I think, on this page.
All right, so let's go subscribe.
So first question is, what's your pet's name?
Now, we went through this earlier so that we could get the box delivered to us for the review today.
Yeah.
We'll see if it's customized on the inside when we open it, because I did it with our soon-to-be dog's name.
So looks like there's a sign up for a mailing list already checked. Interesting. Yep. So I know there's some conversation about whether it should be checked or not checked before. Yeah. What I like about this on the brand side is if I happen to not get through the whole checkout process, they've captured my email.
Yeah.
So then they could potentially give me an email list and sell me later.
Yeah. I took your dog's name that you typed in above
and
put it in down below.
Yeah,
so now you feel connected to the order process.
I do feel connected.
I want to know when King's birthday is.
How old is King? He's an adult. I don't know what senior means. Is that 9 years or older? Is it 7? You're not, right? I don't know. I don't know what it is. He's an adult.
So knowing your dog's weight is pretty important. Pretty common, yeah.
He's a big boy. I don't know if he's overweight. We'll collect that.
Wait, is he overweight?
I think he's just big boned, right? It's like me and you, right? Right. Now this is cool. What does he need help with? Or does he? So it doesn't look like this is required.
These are common things that you need to be concerned about with your dog.
Teeth cleaning is always great for them. Dogs do have separation anxiety. Mom probably has that with me. Crate training. So when you have a new puppy, some people like to crate train.
So now this is interesting too, because typically subscription boxes address two things. One, replenishment, or two, discovery and delight. And it seems like the path that they're walking down here is It's almost that discovery and delight. It's not necessarily replenishment because it's asking you about what does King need help with.
I suspect there's going to be random toys and treats in there. We don't know as we go through, but one thing they could be thinking about is then upselling them into a replenishment of treats every month.
Yeah.
It's a way to do something there. So we'll go to frequency. And now choose your subscription. We got 12 boxes at $29. You get a 25% discount, so it's paying for up front. 6 boxes for $34 and month to month. So you already know how I'm going to feel about this. Quarterly subscription.
Yeah, so we've got a month-to-month box. We find that there's a lot more box burnout when people are looking at it on a monthly basis. So, yeah, there is no quarterly option here. They do have the delivery frequency every other month, though.
Yeah,
do you think that
cool.
addresses a concern, too? I don't see a lot of subscription companies doing that. That it's either monthly or quarterly. They have the option to skip a month once you get started, but right out of the gate, asking if you want it every other month.
They definitely want people at the 12 months because they probably, as a brand, I'm assuming, they've got an LTV under 12 boxes, right? So they want to get them into 12 boxes.
Yeah, but usually, don't you assume it's going to be 12 times $29.95?
I know, yeah. That's why I'm surprised here because it says
committed.
This is interesting.
Well, dude, I'll just cancel. I'll just get the one.
Well, that's interesting. So I wonder what will happen here. We don't know. We cancel with a $20 cancellation fee. That's interesting. I've actually never seen this.
No, that's interesting. The fee is less than 1 month, though, too. That's what's interesting. Usually, with cable TV, you have this fee that is larger than, at least a couple months. You're like, I'll just stick it out to the end or whatever it may be.
This is interesting.
It's a really nominal cancellation fee.
It might be keeping the customers on. They might have a higher LTV with these ones in the month to month.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I just realized? They didn't ask you what type of dog you had.
No, they didn't ask the breed, did they?
No.
That'd be a good data point.
Listen, I don't know all the different types of toys they have, but certain dogs, whether they're big, may like different toys too. Mm-hmm. The data showed us that Labradoodles really like the Kong ball.
Yeah.
So they'd be encouraged to put that in that box if it wasn't. Now, let's say the Husky likes the Tug toy. So we'd be encouraged to put a Tug toy in those boxes.
All right. So we've already gone through the checkout process because we don't need to do that. Do you want to beat up the site anymore?
One thing I wanted to say about the site. I first get to this page, and I think inherently some consumers may look at this and be like, oh my God, this is a lot to fill out. I might suggest walking them through steps. What's your dog's name, email? Next question. Goes to another page.
Then
what's
tell
a
us
birthday?
About your dog. Because then you get them in the process. And then
final question, right? You're making them make those micro commitments, and then boom.
So we already went through the order process. Got the Kong box here. I'm gonna open it up.
No. Let's look at the email you got when you signed up.
That's very true. This is the email you receive as soon as you place your order. When we did this is the name of our puppy we're getting, Piper. So it stayed further customized.
Pied Piper.
So that's pretty straightforward. This is the email I got when the box shipped.
Cool. That's good.
So the Kong box is on its way.
I would suggest putting the tracking link there. Try to make this the tracking link.
And
then on that page, you could upsell some of their toys with a software, let's say like a Wizmo Labs or something like that.
Yeah,
that would help.
Wizmo Labs, what they do is they take that tracking information, they put it on one page for you where there's some
it's a branded tracking page.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Disclosure, they're a SUBTA partner.
They are SUBTA partners, but
it's good stuff.
Good stuff, yeah.
So one other thing to look at, there's also a really good opportunity for more content marketing. All right, the box is on its way. Here's a blog we wrote on best uses when you get it. Or we noticed you ordered this for chewing. Here's an article we wrote about the stage your dog's at right now.
Or if you're for crate training, here's ways to help your dog with crate training.
Getting people engaged with your brand. Every email is an opportunity to create engagement with the brand.
And then this is when it delivered?
Yeah, it came shortly after it arrived here at the office. Delivery, we've got more cute dog pictures.
Do you like this share your dog's reaction? When did this come? Like the minute that it delivered?
Almost. It was pretty darn close.
Got it.
This is a recent email I just got with a promotion. So now I'm in their email list. They're noticing, okay, Father's Day is around the corner here.
Box. Let's click on this. So this is important because now you're in the recipient's email, so then I can convert you to a subscriber when your gift option's done. All right, let's see the box. I'm excited.
All right, so let's
look at the outside of it.
Sorry, I got so excited. I wanted to open it. Dogs need to play. I'm never a fan of the UPS label right on the top. I always like it to be on the bottom. I think it just takes away from the presentation of the box in itself. I think it's a really good looking box.
I think so too. The
good
colors are nice.
Yeah, and there's like a hashtag on there somewhere.
There's a hashtag. There's like a hashtag Kong.
Hashtag
Kong box.
Hashtag Kong.box.
Is that the hashtag they want people using? It's interesting to use the dot That's what their at is. It shouldn't be a hashtag. It'd be at.
All right, so a little bit of a mistake there.
Yeah.
All right, so they've definitely.
Look at these Huskies, though.
So let's see here. So we got the
I love the presentation there.
box. We've got recipe, farmhouse feast.
Oh, this is great.
Is this what you mix up and you put it in the Kong?
Yeah.
Did you? Okay, so that's fun. So I selected crate training when we did this because Piper is going to be a puppy. We're going to be teaching, doing crate training. So this is a little card that is talking about crate training tips.
What's the little scan thing do?
So this is a crate training thing. So it looks like it's taking me to more about crate training.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's great.
All right. So now, what do you call this?
Springfill.
Springfill, yeah. But sometimes I get annoyed with this stuff because it ends up all over. I don't know what some of these things are. What do we have?
Let's see.
This is the Kong one large dog treat.
Oh, this is sweet. This goes into the Kong.
Of course, you have the Kong in there.
Goes into the Kong in the bottom. Put it in the hole here. This is awesome.
So overall impression, there's a fair amount. Like,
Yeah, it's a full box.
Yeah.
Listen, I love that about what Kong's done is that I immediately feel like there's $30, $40 in value in here.
more stuff in for the Kong.
Yeah,
All right, so now I'm seeing the reason for this on a monthly basis, right? I'm not just getting the Kong. I'm getting stuff that's going in the Kong.
And then if you got multiple dogs, you could upsell some of this extra stuff.
Do you think I'm getting a Kong in every box? And so
I don't know.
Also, this might be important to note this medium. And with Piper, she's going to be a medium-sized dog. So I assume this is customized to what I have. Customization can be tough.
So that's the Kong. You got a nice medium Kong because you got a baby.
Yeah.
We got some filler. And we got the toy.
And these treats, too.
Treats. These go in there. They're Kong bites.
I think
ideal for any time. So when you're doing your crate training, you can use these.
Makes sense.
All right.
Look at this. This sounds like a Jackson cake. Oh, check this out. So it's got a
little bone on the
Googie
side.
bone. This is another Kong thing.
Yeah.
Not just the Kong, but it's got...
Yeah, they have Kong Ball. They've got a Kong Bone. They've got Kong Classic. So here's the Kong. And it looks like you put a treat there on the sides, right? And that keeps them occupied. This is a big bone.
It's like a teddy bear with some knots inside. It's like a chew toy for the dog.
Yeah. Oh, this is genius. It's a bear with rope inside of it.
Yeah, that's really smart. All right, so if you went to the store and you bought all these things, give me like a quick total. Is this like $10?
Yeah, 10, 5 to 10. This is probably $5. These treats are probably $10. This is probably $10. You probably got about $60, $70.
All right, we did the one-time box, 40 on it. Easily, I'm exceeding the retail value of everything.
Yeah. I've had my dogs for 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
I never knew about this. Now I want to get this. I never knew about this. It gets me thinking, I never knew about this style toy, right? So now I'm thinking, wow, I could get this stuff.
No, it'll be interesting to watch follow-up emails if I get something that says, hey, are you on this sweet potato spread? Do you want to order more of it now?
Or if that's 30 days worth, genius.
You try a bite if I try a bite?
No, absolutely not. No, we're not trying a bite.
It's made with real sweet potatoes. Just try a little bit.
No, this is awesome. Kong Box, I think you've done an amazing job. And I really do think we got value there.
Yeah. Overall website experience, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I think there's going to be some improvements. I think thumbs up. I think there's some improvements. But yeah, the checkout process was easy.
Positive.
Yeah.
The overall looked like the email experience was good. Thought that was good.
Yep.
The unboxing, the opening of the box, everything looked pretty good there.
Okay, I don't think that I would be signing up for this for a ton of value, but because I think you probably got about $70 worth of stuff for $40. But I learned about new stuff, which is exciting to me. And I think as pet owners love their pets.
Yeah.
They're not thinking about how much they're spending. They're just excited to get new stuff.
That's great. Yeah. Nice job, Kong Box. Thank you so much for watching this subscription review. Our goal is to help you cover the blueprint for subscription success.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks so much.
Appreciate it.